Linking your bank account to MasterClass allows for seamless payment and subscription management. Follow these steps to connect your bank account effectively. Step 1. Log into your MasterClass account. Visit the MasterClass website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you want to link to your bank. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payment methods or billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods and to add a new one. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account as your preferred method and enter the required information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double check for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for correctness. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your MasterClass account. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to MasterClass, making your subscription management easier. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MasterClass support for assistance.